Racing just is started. We have Tonic Water break quickly at the start. Moving a party outside Sidonet Ninjitsu. Then followed over by Pegasus. Run like the wind. Green lane. Madame Leonora comes next. Moving a party outside King's Treasure. And already inside Teritun Master's Degree. Then next online is Twining Honor. Moving a party outside is Make No Mistake. Back to the leader. We have Pegasus by about 3 lengths. Ninjitsu in second. Run like the wind is racing in third. Teritun comes next. Then here comes Twining Honor now moving up to take fifth. Madame Leonora comes next. Sidonet, green lane, make no mistake. Danoni inside, Tonic Water. Then next online is Master's Degree. While King's Treasure now racing less than at a far turn. Pegasus about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Twining Honor. It's now Twining Honor now saying it's my turn to take the lead by about 2 lengths. Pegasus in second, moving up green lane, Ninjitsu. And as they swing for home, we have Twining Honor by about 4 lengths. Pegasus in second, moving up now on the outside is green lane, Madame Leonora. Last 75 meters, we have Twining Honor now racing away. And finally, it's Twining Honor. Ninjit or rather green lane, then comes Madame Leonora. Zitonet, run like the wind.